Often we get the question, what happens to my 5-year ceramic coating after the 5 years is up? We have a Camaro here that we coated in 2018 with our 5-year ceramic coating, which is BC-08. Wonderful coating. It's our entry-level ceramic coating from Modesta. But beside all of that, we know prep is key to any coating lasting its duration of its time. Not all coatings are created the same, we know that. We go above and beyond to prep these vehicles. What I did notice is that after polishing this car, after the 5-year mark, the coating was working great. The hydrophobic properties did go down a little bit, but what I really noticed is that primer and the coating actually hardened the clear coat up after some years. But when I went to polish the car, the paint was harder than a factory Camaro paint. Now I know that when I apply this coating that the paint is even going to be even more durable. Came out fantastic. The paint was super smooth, very minimal scratches here or there. The color was always amazing in the car. I've actually seen this car at an event at Old Town Orlando at night, and the car looked amazing. It blew me away of how coating stabilized the color. Now, this car is not a daily workhorse. It happens to be a retired gentleman's weekend car, but he drives it hard. It has over, I think 20,000 miles on it, but it's got a big old V8, bunch of work done to it, so it's not a stock car. But that being said, you know this thing is going down the road at speeds. We put PPF on the front and the headlights and all of that. But beside all of that, we know that in order for coating to actually go the distance is proper maintenance. This car has been properly maintained since day one. Now we're at that mark. Now the car is getting recoated. We're gonna coat this bad boy and go another 6-7 years on our 5-year coating. So there you have it, folks. When a Modesta coated car done by SD is at its end term, it's a light polish and then a reapplication of the coating. Color is still stable. Obviously the UV is fantastic with Modesta coatings. That's why we use it. Our customers enjoy a really shiny, luster colored car for many, many years to come. So let's get this thing coated up and see what it's gonna look like after the fact. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super glossy. So you guys know the slogan, clean cars drive way better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we coat this beast, let's take a look at this paint. Again, the correction on this paint took me a quarter of the time to get it to this point, but the car is super, super shiny, and this is what I say about not all coatings are equal. I've had this experience with other coatings, and they did not do this after the 5-year mark. I mean, this paint is beautiful. I'm having fun actually recoating this thing, but you can see like it is super, super bright. But again, I can't wait to get it coated, so let's see. This is the gloss before the gloss, I guess you would say. Look at this paint, it's beautiful. It's not any faded any since. Car looks good. She is ready for the coating. Gotta coat everything. Coat everything, I always say. Love it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that about wraps this video up. As you can see, the Camaro is back to its original gloss, but glossier. Now that the new layer of BC-08 is even stronger than it was in the past, which is amazing to me. And this is one reason why we use high quality coatings, because we want these results all the time. If you have any questions, hit the comment section, let me know what you think. And yeah, this car is amazing. It's ready to hit Old Town tomorrow night. So if you're around Orlando and you want to see a really, really glossy Camaro, go to Old Town in Orlando, about by Kissimmee. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.